Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 14.1, Problem 9. This is Section 14.1. It's problem number 9. It says, consider the function f of x equals 3x squared. Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum on the interval from -1 to +2. So this is a 6-step process. Step 1 is find the derivative. So f prime of x equals, well, the 3x squared has a derivative of 6x to the first. The exponent of 2 comes down times the number in front of 3. 2 times 3 is 6. x to 1 less power. And that's f prime of x, easy enough. Step 2, set f prime of x equal to 0. So I have 6x equals 0. Step 3, solve for x. Well, if I divide both sides by 6, 0 over 6 is 0. And that is the solution. If x is 0, 6 times 0 makes the equation true. 0 equals 0. So I have one solution of x is 0. The next step, step 4, says for every solution from step 3 that's within the given interval, find the height. And 0 is within the interval. It's between -1 and +2. So let's find the height for 0. So f of 0 is 3x squared becomes 3 times 0 squared. So do the 0 squared first. The 0 times the 3 in front, you get 0. So one of my heights is 0. Step 5, find the height of both ends of the interval. So first find the height of the -1. f of -1 is 3x squared becomes 3 times -1 squared. So -1 squared, -1 times -1 is +1, times the 3 in front. +1 times 3 is 3. And the other end of the interval is +2. So f of 2, 3x squared becomes 3 times 2 squared. And 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, times the 3 in front. 4 times 3 is 12. It's +12. And now step 6 is state the absolute maximum, absolute minimum. So the absolute maximum for this problem is the largest value, choosing from 0, 3, or 12. Well, 12 is the biggest of the ones I have to choose from. So the absolute maximum is 12. And the absolute minimum is the smallest of the values, 0, 3, or 12. Well, 0 is the smallest, so that's it. That's the answer. Absolute maximum is 12, and absolute minimum is 0.